Hello and welcome to everyone who are watching this video. First question is you should be asking why this video, and as you might be seeing, you are seeing a video of BM Public School. The question must arise, why this school? As you can all see, we are organizing the admission for the new session 2021 and 2022. We are admitting students from nursery to class 9, and the options or the questions that you might be thinking as why should we admit our student or our child in this school. Now let us give you an idea why you should be doing admission in our school. On your screen, you are seeing the facilities we are providing. The facilities as listed below are live-in helpers and staff, attached dressers and toilets, CCTV coverage of key areas, regular parent interaction through mobile, SMS and email. Extracurricular activities and competitions are conducted every week. Parent-teachers interaction program after every unit test. Counseling program for the progress of individual students. Next is why our students can feel really happy. The thing that they experience is a very happy and a friendly environment, as you might be seeing how the students are raising their certificate with their parents present alongside. In this way, we try to create a very happy and a friendly environment for each and every individual of the BM family. Next up, you will see all the activities that we have been performing since we have opened our schools. The first activity on your screen you are seeing is a fancy dress, a child who is in a get-up of Hanuman, as you are seeing on the screen, and this is the first activity that you are seeing on screen. The next activity you are seeing on screen is our students were paying a visit to agricultural office, and see how excited they are alongside with our teachers and their guardians. You might be seeing how excited they are to see the different kinds of plants and how they are maintaining the decorum and standing and moving in a queue. Next activities that we have performed along with our students is a visit to our railway station. As you can see, the students are walking in a straight queue, and they have brought with them the copies so that they may note down whatever they are seeing and whatever they are experiencing, so that they can share it later in the classes. The next activities you are seeing, our school organized a road safety awareness week campaign with the officials, as you are seeing the police officials as well as the RTO. We conducted road safety awareness during the road safety week, and our students, teachers and all our staffs participated actively in this, as you can see in this image. The next activity you are seeing is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Our school also took an initiative to fulfill the goal of our current Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi sir, who aimed to keep the India clean. So you are seeing our students, they are initiating a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan initiative in which everyone are getting ready to clean the environment, to clean the locality, so that it may instill a joy in them and then they can work happily. Next, you are seeing fun and recreations by our students who are showing the sign of victory to you and how they are very much excited. You can see the smile on their faces. You can see how they are enjoying the moment in our school. Next activity up is the sports club culture. Our school every year organizes annual sports as well as regular weekly games period where we try to explore the gaming or the athletic side of a student. And as you can see, a few of the students, they have participated in athletics competition, that is running race. So as you might also see other students cheering them up, including their parents and the teachers. Next activities that we have performed is we have involved our students in a lot of art and culture activities, as you can see in the upcoming presentations. The first and the most important activity that each and every Indian perform, including us, that is Republic Day, where our students bring Tiranga or the tricolor flag with them, and we celebrate it in honor of our constitution that was formed on this very day on January 26, 1950, and was implemented in our society. Next activity up on screen, you are seeing Independence Day, where our students are giving an motivation speech about the significance of the Independence Day and how hard we worked so that we might become an independent country. Next activity you are seeing is Raksha Bandhan. This activity was conducted so that it may instill in our children the harmony and brotherhood, so that they may feel safe and the country of us, that is India, might even feel a safer place for women. Next activity you are seeing on screen is Diwali, where the senior students of our class made rangoli and they put diyas on it, as you might be seeing, while the smaller students gathered around so that they may celebrate the festival of light and the festival of joy, that is Diwali. Next activity up is our school performs or conducts the annual function each and every year, and you might be seeing how students are getting up ready for their performance on the stages. So we conduct our annual function in very pomp and show so that we can showcase our talent to the parents as well as to our whole society. The next thing you are seeing is our small children performing a dance step. As you might be seeing, this is a still image. So these are the activities that our school keeps on performing, and we keep on involving our teachers and students all the time in studies as well as co-curricular activities that you have seen. If this will not suffice, then I think you should think twice, because these facilities are not provided by other schools as much and as lengthy or as happily we are providing. Hope these fulfillments of your conditions will help you choose our school. Thank you.